This Tech Minute is sponsored by Auto Value. Visit us online for more information.
Andrew Markell here with Brake and Front End Magazine, and today we're talking about new brake rotors and what happens when you pull a new one out of the box and install it on a vehicle in your shop. This brake rotor right now has zero lateral runout on it, but you take a vehicle that's been out in the field and you install this perfect rotor onto a hub and flange that has existing lateral runout. All of a sudden, this rotor has runout. So how do you prevent this? First of all, make sure that everything is clean. Corrosion can lead to lateral runout. Something as small as this piece of paper can induce 1/1000th worth of lateral runout in a rotor. So you can imagine what corrosion can do to the interface there. When it is installed on the vehicle, you also need to correct for that lateral runout. So this means either using an on-the-car brake lathe or a tapered shim that fits between the rotor and the hub flange itself. I'm Andrew Markell with Brake and Front End Magazine. Thank you very much.